days since I vlogged. Sorry, and let me tell you, I look horrible. Because we are on the last day of moving our building. So this is how I'm going to work today. Oh, I need to put my seatbelt on. Hold on. Alright, so I gotta get used to my new route to work. But I look crazy and horrible. I actually need to wash my hat because I've been wearing it for 3 days straight and now I have a pimple on my forehead. So apparently I need to wash this hat out. I had to change my scarf because I need to wash my old scarf. And this is my fuzzy one that gets all in my lipstick, but I don't have lipstick on. Anyway, good morning. It is Tuesday. So I just wanted to catch you guys up a little bit on what has been going on. So the teenager turns 16 on Thursday. And so now that work has subsided substantially, like I have so much work to do. I still have like 5 videos to edit. And I'm just ready to get back on track. So we are doing, she's having a sleepover at the Sheraton in Towson. So I got her and her friends a room. I got me a room. Well, actually, I haven't booked it. I'm going to book it as soon as I get to work. But I got both of us a room, and I'm glad I waited because the rooms are $25 cheaper each room. The rooms are $25 cheaper, which means that I saved myself $50. Thank you, God, because I need every dollar. And so she's having a dinner party on Saturday night at TGI Fridays. All right, it is 4:48 in the afternoon. I am trying to find my way. I'm a little lost, but I used to live around here. The back road's to the right road. Outside of the fact that I can't see right now. Geez, it's so bright. I know there's a road that you go right. I used to know all of these back roads. Anyway, it's a cute little neighborhood. Let me show you. So the neighborhood is like very quiet, very cute. I think it's more a lot of blended like families and stuff. And so we didn't of course live in this part of it, not in our 20s, but everything is nice and cute. And yeah, like all of these little houses here are so cute. Oh, you know what? I think you make a right at this light. Let me see what light this is. Is this Satire Hill or something? I think I figured it out. Is this like, what is the road? Because my mechanic used to be right here. Alright, so we are going to the Dollar Tree. It's flipping freezing out here. Like, it's so cold. Shit. Oh, come on. You're welcome. Oh, baby. You sound like my grandma. She's always talking about your chest is open. Your chest is open.
I see him throwing out there like that.
And the kids just. Oh, I could do. Now, can I do Valentine's candy in their boxes? Let me see. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so far, there are like little things, but nothing that stands out. So let's keep shopping. Now, this aisle is a mess. Like, look. Alright, so we need some kind of a basket. Let's try to find a basket. Alright, so right now my 2 choices are like a bathroom caddy. Let me see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exactly. Or I could do the bathroom caddy or these, which would fit everything in it as well. I don't know, so I'm going to figure out between the 2 of those which 2 we want. Alright, so we stayed within the dollar store budget, but That type A side of me really, really, really wants to. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Oh, it's 30 degrees outside. It's freaking flipping freezing. But some new jewelry just dropped. You know, at like 5 o'clock every day, the new jewelry drops. So I honestly have to see like what the new jewelry is. Now this looks like old jewelry. Oh, it's loading 20%. So I got the baskets, I got socks, I got body wash and spray. I got loofah, the loofah sponges. I got nail polish with the pedicure kit. And I don't know, I think that might be all I got. It feels like I got more, but I'm not sure. I just kind of wanted to get one more thing, which was t-shirts or like some kind of a shirt. But honestly, it's just another $50 and I have to feed these girls for the weekend, and so I just don't want to go over budget. I have to stick to my budget. So, and my seatbelt is not on. I'll be right back. You guys to look and see how high the moon is. Can you see the moon? Like, it's really, really big and high. Oh, am I out too far? Sorry, while I'm vlogging and in your way. But that is how big the moon is. Like, seriously, right now. I thought you were turning, my love. All right, so now we are headed into Party City to see if we can find some Sweet 16 decorations. All right, so this is the Sweet 16 section here. There's not a lot, so I'm trying to figure out what to get. We got packages. I know my hair looks crazy. Hi. My grandmama made my bed. She makes my bed when I'm gone. Hi. Look at my lump scumps. Look at my pumpkin. Hello. Mama just got home.
Grandma won't let us sleep.
You might as well take a shower if you get ready to go to sleep. Hello.
Well, we were taking a nap.
You were taking a nap?
No, I'm no. Is this some of my stuff?
Oh, it might be something in here. Do you want to do the unboxing? No, I don't know which one is the. Hold on.
You got it. The one of them.
No, it don't. Are you gonna do the unboxing for us?
Yeah.
So what is this called? This is called. You got to talk it through it.
We're gonna open the box.
This is an unboxing.
Booksy.
Let me see how crazy I look. So Jawan's gonna do our unboxing. I'm gonna sit down and take my shoes off. But he's gonna do our Amazon. Oh, I just sat on the remote. He's gonna do our Amazon unboxing. Oh, you're doing a good job, son. So let's see what we got. Mama knows. I have to look at the whole order. I don't remember what I ordered. But I know I ordered it 2 days ago. That Amazon Prime, baby. All right, let's see. Here, let me see. Oh. It is decorations. Give me the other thing. It's Aja's birthday decorations. Can I see that? Watch your hands, son. All right, hold on. You look like a creep. You look like a creep. A creep. Yeah. So these are her straws for the cups that I have not purchased yet. Again, I'm sorry, my hair will be all back to normal tomorrow. Oh, and this is the that goes across the bed in her room. So those are her decorations. There should be something. Did we open that one or you need the scissors? Okay. If you hold the camera, I'll open it. You want to do it? Oh, okay. Yeah, but you can't hold your, this is not, you can't hold your hand on the blade, son. No, you can, no. What you do is you take it and you just hold it and do one like this. But be careful. There you go. See how easy that was? Okay. And then do the sides. Okay, that's enough. There you go. Or you can just tear into it. Or you can just tear into it. Who else gets excited about Amazon orders? I told you. So these are right. You thought we were tripping around here. So look at his face. What's wrong with your face? I can't. So these are jewelry packing bags, which I needed. What do you see? This is the curtain for the room. What's that? That's mine. Is this all? Oh, this is a whole lot of balloons. And these are the balloons. Oh, this is a whole lot. What is that? What is that? His pop socket. Say it louder. What is that?
Pop socket.
His pop socket came.
I just need a case.
Are you excited? Well, you need a case for what?
For my phone.
You need a new case for your phone? Oh, well, now we have to go through and find them. It's always something. I'm telling you, I just can't keep up. All right, I seem to be missing something. Is there another box? No. So that is... Oh, this is the charger. This is dead. My which name is not here. Was there two? Is there two boxes, or was there just one?
What?
There was just one Amazon box.
Yeah, it was in a big box.
Oh, so I'm missing. My hard drive is not here.
Mom, this is what I did.
Where's my phone?
I was like that. I was like, that popped.
So the only thing I'm missing is my hard drive. So let's see if it was delivered or if it was shipped. I ordered a new MacBook hard drive because my hard drive is out of storage and I need to put one up for literally for storage. So let me look at my Amazon orders. Stop. That's so annoying. Stop. Oh, it's arriving tomorrow by 8. Sorry. So it's not here. We got everything else but that.
That's how I did.
And one more thing. All right. So we are there. I am going to catch you guys in a minute. We're going to go through what we got for the birthday girl's basket, and then I will hit you back in a second. That pop socket by itself was 10. You took the sticky part off?
No.
Oh no! Leave the sticky stuff on there because it's that $10 was ridiculous that it cost. So you're gonna get a case that you want. So find one on your find one. When your biggest issue is getting a new phone case.
I was gonna get a clip case from there.
You have a screen protector on your phone? Oh, you need a screen protector too.
Yeah, I wanna. Me and Nadja want to get that privacy one, the dark one.
Oh, okay. Privacy. Because everyone's in your business, huh? These teenage problems. We'll be back, son. I'm tired. I'm going to end the vlog here and say goodnight. We're going to watch the State of the Union address. And that's how we're going to end our night. It's time for you to go to bed, Juwan. What are you looking for?
My ball.
Why would your ball be over here?
Because I just dropped it right now.
This is what exhaustion from your full-time job looks like. Like, seriously. When you see me tomorrow morning, I'm going to be dressed and ready. And look totally different. So I will see you guys in the AM. Thanks for watching the vlog. Bye.